Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my question and answer segment entitled Friction's Pinion. Let's take a look at today's question. Van Purple 09 asks, do you prefer making mocks with studs not on top or ones with studs on top? Well, SNOT building, that stands for studs not on top, is very interesting. But to me, I guess I really don't have a huge preference. The studs on top really doesn't bother me, except for maybe in a few cases. And that would be, for instance, if I'm making a sidewalk or a paved city street or road. I wouldn't necessarily want to see the studs for those types of things. But for like water, grass, other things, that dirt, those really don't bother me too much. I guess when I'm making something that has more of a sleek design, let's say a spaceship, I would probably tend to go with more of the studs not on top, or like to cover most of those, especially around the cockpit area, and kind of with cover those up with other bricks and things, so there was a less amount of those on maybe a spaceship or a vehicle, things like that. But for me, for buildings and the things that I make, most of that stuff, it's not going to bother me. Obviously I don't want studs showing through walls and things like that, but I don't have to cover them all up, and that would probably be the big thing for me. Is I really don't think I have a preference either way. I can see myself doing a little bit of both, but I'm not a big proponent, and some of those things can get, the math and the angles and the connecting points, that can get pretty confusing and really fast. And it may be just a little bit over my head, to be honest with you. But that's kind of how I approach it. There's a few cases to where I kind of want to cover the studs up, but I don't need to tile everything. That just doesn't bother me too much on a lot of cases. So really, I guess I would say it depends on what I'm building. But for the most part, I don't let it bother me. And I kind of would approach it in either direction. So thank you, Van Purple 09, for your question. And what about you guys? Do you prefer seeing the studs in your mocks, or do you like to cover them up with other bricks or tiles or other things? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.